Hello friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. Today in this video we are going to solve question number 4 from exercise 1.2 on chapter rational numbers from class 8. So our question number 4 is find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. In this case, both the denominator of both the rational numbers are different. Here the denominator is 5 and another denominator is 2. So in this case, first same both the denominator. So take the LCM of 5 by 2. LCM of 5 by 2 is 10. So we need to make the denominator 10. Minus 2 by 5, its denominator make 10. So you need to multiply by 2 and again multiply 2 with the numerator, otherwise it will not balanced fraction or balanced rational number. So it will become minus 4 by 10. Similarly, make 1 by 2 as a denominator 10. Make the denominator 2 to 10. So it need to multiply with 5. Again multiply 5 with the numerator and it will become 5 by 10. If you multiply 5 with numerator and denominator, it will become 5 by 10. The 1 by 2 and 5 by 10 is same. Value remains unchanged. So now this is the new number minus 4 by 10 and another number is 5 by 10. Both the denominator are same. But in our question we have to find out 10 rational numbers. Between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10, there is no 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. Minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10. Minus 4 by 10 is not countable because numbers between these two numbers. So minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. These are not sufficient as per our question required. We need to find out 10 rational numbers. So again multiply 2 with both the numerator and denominator, that will be both rational numbers, to find out more rational numbers between these two numbers. It will become minus 8 by 20 and multiply again 2 with the numerator and denominator of second rational number 5 by 10. It will become 10 by 20. Now this is the new number minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. Minus 8 by 20 is equal to minus 2 by 5. 10 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2. Because we multiply the same number repeatedly. First we multiply 2, then multiply 2. In second rational number, first multiply 5, then 2. When you multiply anything with denominator, you need to multiply with numerator so that it will be balanced as per the main rational numbers, the raw rational numbers. Okay, now this is the number and this is the second number. Now you can get 10 numbers from between them. Means it will become minus 8 by 20, 10 by 20. So moves negative rational number. So moves towards right from left. Minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20. You can write positive rational numbers 10 by 20. Means it will become 9 by 20, 8 by 20, 7 by 20, 6 by 20, 5 by 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Already done. 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Here you can write minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, and there is 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20. You can write mean between minus 80 by 20 and 10 by 20. There are more than 10 rational numbers in between them. So from these numbers we find out 10 rational numbers and write here. Okay, this is your answer. Then next question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers between first bit 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. In our first bit, denominator are not same. So first same 3, 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So multiply with 5. It will become 10 by 15. And if you want to make 4 by 5 as a fractional number with denominator 15, so you need to multiply 3 with both numerator and denominator. It will become 12 by 15. In this case 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. There is one rational number between this number. It is 11 by 15. But you need to find out. You have to find out 5 rational numbers. So again multiply with 2. 10 into 2 by 15 with 2. It will become 20 by 30. And 12 by 15 into 2 into 2. It will become 24 by 30. Again this number and this number, 20 by 24. In between this number there are 3 numbers, 21, 22 and 23. Between 20 and 24 there are 3 numbers, 21, 22 and 23. So again multiply with 2. by 60. Now between this number 40 by 60 and 48 by 60, now there are 8 numbers. You can find out 5 numbers between them. 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60. All these 5 numbers present between 40 by 60 and 48 by 60. Okay, this is your answer. This is the 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Second question, again find rational number, 5 rational number between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. In this case both the denominators are different, so make same denominator. 2 3, LCM of 2 3 is 6. So minus 3 by into 3 by 2 into 3, it will become minus 9 by 6. 5 by 3 into 2 into 2, it will become 10 by 6. Minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. Between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6, easily we can get 5 rational numbers. It will minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6. From positive rational numbers, you can write 9 by 6, 8 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. Then move to third bit. Third bit, you have to find out rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. In this case both are different numerator, so same it, equal it. I am multiplying 2 with 1 by 4 numerator and denominator. It will become 2 by 8, 1 by 2, 4 into 4. It will become 4 by 8. 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. There are no 5 rational numbers. There are not 5 rational numbers between, you can find out between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. So in this case again multiply with 2. 2 into 2, 8 into 2. It will become 4 by 16. 16. Between these two numbers there are only 5, 6, 7. 3 numbers present between 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. So again multiply with 2. 4 into 2 by 16 into 2. It will become 8 by 32. Now there are much more than 5 numbers present between 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. In this case, now you can write 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32 and 13 by 32. These are the 5 numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. So small number 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, there is a little bit difference between these two numbers, so that you need to multiply again repeatedly, because there is not much more number as per our requirement. You have to find out 5 numbers, but in this case 2 by 8 and 4 by 8 there is one number 3 by 8. In this, when you multiply again with 2, there is 3 cases, 5 by 16, 6 by 16 and 7 by 16, because here 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. In between these two numbers 5 by 16, 6 by 16 and 7 by 16 are present. So that again we multiply with 2 to find out 5 rational numbers between these two numbers 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Otherwise you can direct multiply with a big number like don't multiply with 2 such a big number, 4 या 5 या 3, or so you find out 5 rational numbers easily. Okay, next move to our next question number 6. Question number 6, write 5 rational numbers which is greater than minus 2. As similar as our question number 3. In our question number 3, in my previous video already we have discussed about question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are similar, which are smaller than 2, and here the question is which are greater than minus 2. So if I draw a number line, so here is 0, 1, 2 positive numbers, minus 1, minus 2 negative numbers. So which is greater than minus 2? Greater than minus 2 means move from left to right. You need to move from left to right. Move minus 2 to onwards towards right. Okay, the rational numbers minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Otherwise you can write here, there is number here minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So you write minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. All these 5 numbers are greater than minus 2. If you move from left to right from minus 2 point, from the plot of minus 2, then you will get 5 rational numbers which are minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the midpoint of minus 1 and minus 2. So similarly minus 3 by 2, we find out the midpoint of both the whole numbers 1, 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. We can write minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These are not in p by q form. These are rational numbers, but these are not in p by q form. So I write fractional numbers with these integers, negative integers and whole numbers. Okay, so next move on to our question number 7. Question number 7, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. In this case, as for our previous questions, both our denominators are different. So first make it same denominator. So you need to multiply 4 with 3 by 5. 3 by 5 with 4, it will become 12 by 20, and multiply 5 with 3 by 4, it will become 15 by 20. Between these two numbers, 12 by 20 and 15 by 20, there are just 3 numbers, 13 by 20, sorry, 2 numbers, 13 by 20 and 14 by 20. But you need to find 10 rational number. So again multiply with 2. 12 by 20 into 2 into 2, it will become 24 by 40. 15 by 20, it will become 30 by 40. Again see here, 24 by 40, 30 by 40. So between these two numbers, there are only 5 numbers, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 upon 40. Okay, but here you need to find out 10 rational numbers. So in this case, again multiply with 2. 24 into 2 by 40 into 2, it will become 48 by 80. 30 into 2 by 40 into 2, it will become 60 by 80. Now in this case there are 11 numbers between 48 by 18 and 60 by 18. Now here you can write 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51 by 80, 52 by 80, 53 by 80, 54 by 80, 55 by 80, 56 by 80, 57 by 80 and 58 by 80. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 also present. But here we need to write 10 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 natural numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, except that 59 by 80 is also present, but as per our question requirement, we write here 10 natural numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Finally, we covered all the questions from exercise 1.2 on chapter rational numbers from class 8. Make practice at your home, make your own note, and watch my previous video for your any doubt regarding plotting of rational numbers and how to find out the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update of my videos. Thank you.